What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to discuss how I make a consistent $1,000 every single week trading stock options. It is a very simple strategy. I'm going to show you what appeared on my screen today that got me another bank of a trade. It was very easy. It was a AAA setup actually. It was honestly perfect. But yeah, I'm just going to run through how I make a consistent $1,000 every single week, every single month, every single year, weekly on the stock market selling options. So if you guys know that IBM actually dropped 26% last night on earnings, it was an absolute bloodbath. It was the worst day since 1968 the stock has ever seen. But if you had a key eye, you would have noticed that it pulled back to this banger of a monthly support level. Now, yes, this is the weekly chart. Each candle is a week, but this support goes all the way back to 2024, and you can see how much of a key level this actually is. If this was to break, then yeah, that's a really bad sign, but odds are that this is going to hold up. You see, what a lot of people don't realize is the risk to reward whenever you pull back to a key support like this. The odds are it is not going to just break straight through it. You're going to usually get a couple weeks or a couple touches at least before anything happens. And as you can see this morning, it touched that zone and is so far starting to wick straight up today. We've also got the 200-day moving average right below us. So is IBM a buy right now? Well, I'm not going to comment on that, but all I know that I'm doing is I'm selling options on this to collect some premium while IV is through the roof. So if you guys know, once stocks have big moves, once the IV increases, premium increases, which means option sellers, we get paid more. Okay, so what did I do to benefit from this 26% pullback on IBM? Well, let me show you. I actually sold IBM 195 strike puts today, and I got in for 0.65 credit each. Right now it's worth 0.22, so I'm at profit of $210. It's up 64%. I'm going to be bringing these to worthless because I believe that this will be this is just easy money, considering that 195 right now is down about here, right below at the bottom of this green box. You can see why I chose that strike, because it is below the 200-week moving average. It's at this part of the key or support here, and we've got all of these touch points up top. So this is a very safe strike. If prices are around where we're at right now, I'm going to reload and I'm going to go again next week to try and recollect that premium and see what happens. If the strike gets challenged, I have two options. I can either, number one, take assignment and buy those shares, or number two, I can roll the position and hopefully get paid, roll the position out a week, maybe a month, and try and lower the strike and collect additional premium for doing so. And then eventually when the bounce comes, it'll eventually expire worthless and I can collect all of that credit. I also took one contract of IBM on the tastytrade account with the 200 strike, a little bit more aggressive. You can see right now it is up about 60% or so, 70%. It's doing fantastic as well. And if you guys want to take trades like this but you don't have a huge account, you can use Strix prop firm, where it's an options prop firm. Once you pass the challenge, you keep 80% of your profit, they keep 20, and you can trade on their 25, 50 or 100k accounts. You just got to pass the challenge. I've been doing them here. You can see here's got my trades. So far I'm up $722 on these open positions on this account. But that's it, guys, for this little quick update video. I just wanted to have a little trade breakdown on here to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm reviving this channel. Right now I'm on holiday in America. You can see I'm actually in a little dodgy office. I'm recording this on my phone with no microphone. So when I get back to Northern Ireland, I will get the setup all sorted. I'm moving into a new house, so the channel's been dead. But I do plan on taking that to the next level for you guys. So if you enjoy, drop a like, drop a comment, and remember to join the Discord, link in description, and I will see you over there. Thank you.